Strongly bullish NEM is trending. This is Friday, the 24th of October, 2025, down 7.38%. Intraday low, or rather, intraday low, $81.71. This company recently disclosed its earnings outcomes. Let's see what's going on with what the company disclosed.
Newmont Corporation NEM is trending as investors digest its latest earnings report, which delivered a double beat on both earnings per share (EPS) and revenue, but left the market divided over the company's broader financial health. Bulls are emphasizing the company's strong operational execution, improved production efficiency, and exposure to a bullish gold macro backdrop, particularly as spot gold prices continue to hover near record highs amid geopolitical tensions and rising inflation expectations. However, skeptics are pointing to weaker than expected cash flow, rising debt levels following recent acquisitions, and questions about capital discipline. The company's free cash flow dipped due to higher capital expenditures and integration costs, raising concerns about sustainability and a potentially volatile commodity cycle. Adding to the discussion is the performance of Newmont's new CEO, whose leadership and strategic vision are under scrutiny as he faces pressure to deliver on synergies, improve shareholder returns, and manage a leaner cost structure. Some community members believe his early moves signaled a more aggressive, growth oriented phase for the miner, while others view it as a risky pivot amid uncertain macroeconomic conditions. From a technical analysis standpoint, chart watchers note that NEM may be approaching a critical inflection point. Several traders have highlighted a potential Elliott wave breakout pattern, suggesting that if gold prices maintain upward momentum, Newmont stock could enter a new bullish leg toward multi month highs. Others caution that if gold retreats or momentum fades, the setup could fail, leading to consolidation or renewed downside pressure. Overall, sentiment around Newmont remains split, with debate centering on whether the company's improving operational outlook and exposure to gold's upside outweigh the short term balance sheet and cash flow risks. The next few trading sessions and movements in the gold market are likely to determine which narrative wins out.
Yes, gold has been quite weak, even though it's hovering at record highs, but the whole of this week has not. It's been quite weak relative to what it has already printed, especially in the previous week. So what we can notice, what we can clearly see here is that there's also weakness on NEM as well. The 10-day moving average was constantly serving as a primary demand line going all the way back to the 28th of May. But what we are now looking at right now, it has broken through that moving average. Maybe the 21-day moving average, it has done that, it has done a bit. Yes, on Tuesday it served as a primary demand line, closed within one standard deviation and pivoted. Let's see now whether it's going to continue to do that. And the last time it traded below that moving average, I think will be the last time it closed below that moving average was all the way back on the 15th of July. But in any case, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average saying that it's going to this pivot, this bounce it picked up yes on Wednesday the 22nd, is expected to remain in place going all the way towards the 29th of October, and then after that there might be a consolidation towards the 10th of November. But all in all, it's saying that it's just going to be a consolidation from the 29th of October. Okay, no guarantee that this will be the case. Projections are currently saying 97.6 to 101.15. Okay, let's see what we have here. Price pressure momentums. Yeah, okay. Well, given that it's been on a downtrend, especially up till Tuesday, the price pressure momentums are still trending. The positions opened all the way back to, yeah, I can say 200 days ago are in profit. The question is the question now is how strong is the momentum? And what is the pace? What's the buying pace? Is it improving or increasing? Let's see. Okay, not really fantastic. As of yesterday, it wasn't. Yeah, the trend, yes, obviously because it gained 2.18%. The 10 period moving average started to trend. It began to trend, but the pace, the buying pace was not, did increase. It wasn't as good as what it was before. But in any case, let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. On this 4 hour chart, we can clearly see here there's been 4 attempts to retest this intraday high of $99.8. One occurred on the 20th, and then the second one occurred on the 23rd. That was yesterday. So let's see whether we have that here. Yeah, 3 attempts to retest, but the pattern you can see that the highs are getting lower. So technically, it's breaking down. Okay. On this 4 hour chart, it's saying that lower prices will remain in place up till midday today. Then after that, by today, end of today, it's expected to bounce. It's currently down 7.32%. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to, I can see, yeah, all the way back to 160 hours ago, not in profit at that stance now, right now. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. So just have a look and see what you make of NEM, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.